You've probably seen more and more blue butterfly pea flower drinks popping up around the internet as well as in restaurants. And it's not difficult to see why it's risen in popularity. The color is so vibrant and it actually changes color. Today I'm going to go over where this amazing ingredient comes from, its nutritional benefits, plus I'll share 4 ways to prepare it. First, the origin story. Blue butterfly pea tea comes from the flowers of the butterfly pea plant, also known as blue tea or cordafan pea, which is part of the pea or legume family. This plant is native to Southeast Asian countries where it's been used for quite some time, but it's only gained popularity in Western countries in the last few years. Not only is this tea such a fun color, it also boasts some pretty cool health benefits as well. It's rich in antioxidants, including an anthocyanin known as ternitin, which is what gives it that bright color. It contains other antioxidants as well, including EGCG, which is also found in green tea. Antioxidants have many health benefits, including relieving oxidative stress on our bodies. Because of the antioxidant content, blue butterfly tea could help guard against cancer, support your immune system, reduce inflammation, stabilize your blood sugar, and more. One benefit that's really fascinating to me is the nootropic effect that it can impart. Nootropics are substances that improve cognitive function, including memory and attention. Some say you may experience vivid dreams after consuming blue butterfly pea tea. Okay, let me show you 4 fun ways that you can experience this amazing tea at home. First, let me show you how to brew a simple cup of tea. All you need is dried butterfly pea flowers, water, and lemon or lime juice, which is optional. Sadly, you'll probably have a hard time finding blue butterfly pea flowers in the store, but I'll link the kind that I bought down below. Okay, place 4 to 8 dried butterfly pea flowers or 2 teaspoons in a tea steeper. The size of the flowers can vary depending on which brand you use, so aim for about 2 teaspoons of the dried flowers. You can also just throw them loose into your cup if you don't have a tea steeper, and then either strain them out or just drink around them. Now pour 1 cup of boiling water on top of the flowers. If you want a larger cup of tea, you can use 1 tablespoon of the flowers and 12 ounces of boiling water. Cover the mug with a plate and allow to steep for 5 minutes. You can go longer if you want, but steep for at least 5 minutes. Look at that vibrant color. That comes from one of the antioxidants. Remove the tea steeper and enjoy as is, or you can make a little magic happen by adding lemon or lime juice. When you change the pH of the drink by adding something acidic, it will actually change color. It starts out as this vibrant blue color, but it can change to purple or even a pinkish color if you add enough lemon. I'm sorry, that's just beyond cool. Now the flavor of the blue butterfly pea tea is actually not super strong by itself. It's definitely reminiscent of the flavor of peas, but it's not overwhelming. Adding the lemon or lime juice helps to give it a more vibrant flavor. If I'm not adding the lemon or the lime juice, I like to add a little bit of almond extract, which I think pairs really well with the butterfly pea tea. You could also add some honey or a sweetener of choice if you like. Okay, now that you've learned how to make the basic tea, let's move on to another popular version of this drink, which is a lavender lemonade. You'll need freshly squeezed lemon juice, lavender simple syrup, water, blue butterfly pea tea, and ice. To make the lavender simple syrup, simply place half a cup of water and 2 tablespoons of dried lavender in a saucepan. Bring to a boil and add half a cup of sugar and a small pinch of salt. Boil for 5 minutes. Remove from heat, cover, and steep for 30 minutes. Strain into a storage container. Place 2 teaspoons of dried butterfly pea flowers in a tea strainer. Pour half a cup of boiling water on top. Cover with a plate and allow to steep for 5 to 10 minutes. Okay, place the lemon juice in a 16-ounce glass. Add 1 to 3 tablespoons of lavender simple syrup and pour half a cup of cold water on top. Add ice cubes to fill the glass about 3/4 full. Now pour the butterfly pea tea on top and watch the magic happen. Come on, that's wild. Up next, I'm going to show you how to make a blue tea latte. Now I'm going to use powdered blue butterfly pea flowers for this, which is sometimes called blue matcha. But you could also make a really strong brew of the dried flowers instead, kind of like a shot of espresso. Again, I'll have a link to the powder that I personally use. Okay, place 1 teaspoon of the blue butterfly pea flower powder in a mug. Pour 1 tablespoon of hot water on top. Whisk using either a regular whisk or a matcha whisk until completely smooth. I like to add a few drops of almond extract because I love the flavor. You could also sweeten to taste with about 1 to 2 teaspoons of honey, maple syrup, lavender simple syrup, etc. Now froth 1 cup of whole milk and pour that on top of the blue tea mixture. I just love, love, love that color. You could also experiment with adding a bit of beet or hibiscus powder in order to change the color purple. You can change the color to purple with lemon or lime juice, but just keep in mind that it might curdle the milk. Finally, I'm going to show you how to make an iced blue tea latte with matcha sweet cream on top. You'll need 1 teaspoon of butterfly pea powder, 1 cup of whole milk, and 1 tablespoon of water. Place the blue tea powder in a small bowl and whisk in the water until completely smooth. Put some ice in a 16-ounce glass. Pour the milk on top, and then add the butterfly pea tea. Now to make the matcha sweet cream, place 3 tablespoons of cream, 1 tablespoon of whole milk, 1 tablespoon of maple syrup or vanilla syrup, a few drops of vanilla extract, and 1 teaspoon of matcha powder in a small glass or measuring cup. Whip with a handheld milk frother until slightly thickened and the matcha dissolves. All right, scoop that matcha sweet cream on top of the blue iced tea latte. I think that the matcha actually pairs really well with the flavors of the butterfly pea tea. Plus, that color combination is just so much fun. So that's 4 ways to prepare blue butterfly pea flower tea. If you'd like to learn how to make more fun beverages at home, then make sure to check out my drinks playlist. I have lots of fun recipes in there to choose from that improve cognitive function. I need that. Okay, powdered blue butter, and iced blue tea.